You can see this is the landing page for in all developments and also responsive for the all screen types. Right? So this is the responsive for the all screen types. It also responsive mobile version and tablet. Now so now I explain you how to create this type of login pages in the original pads. So uh, this is the page designer and see I can uh, sh- I can show you the sections of the page. So first sections for the heading, second sections which is divided into two sections, image sections or button sections. And image section has a two part for the image and text, and last session for the list of fruits. And I also created the some CSS to design and set the positions. Correct. So this is the some CSS. Now first calculate training and H1 and H2 heading. So I place the CSS for the H1 and H2. This one, and now I'm on the sections. So I give the static ID for the this sessions. This is the clean session. Okay? So I keep the CSS for power sessions. Correct? Close them this one static ID. So give the gradient color, shadow, radius, and padding. See? And now these sessions have two portions. First, image and text, and second for the button. So first, I put the static ID image box, right? So then go to here and you can show the image box, right? So this CSS for the image box to image and text part. Again, see image part and another section is the text part, right? And also left because I want to be removed. You can see now the whatever by default we keep the background is the white, so I have to be white background removed as per my design. So color background I got the transparent. I also put in 10%. Even responsive के लिए you have to be used only width and height and padding and margin in a percentage basis because it is take the these figures automatically percentage wise of the body. Okay, so yeah. And last one, this is the ghost container, and also I put some css to the ghost container, right? So guys, um, you okay, thank you.